Welcome back to AI on Your Side. In this video, we're going to talk about prompt engineering. It's a foundational skill that will unlock the potential of generative AI tools. So whether you're working with ChatGPT, Google Gemini, or another platform, prompt engineering is how you actually get the results that you want. In today's session, we'll cover the basics to help demonstrate how to create great prompts. So first, let's break down what prompt engineering is. Think of it as similar to crafting the perfect Google search, but with more nuance. You're not just asking your Gen AI assistant, you're instructing it to think and respond in specific ways. I've done a lot of experimenting with Gen AI, and honestly, I think the best way to think of it is you have an assistant and you need to tell it what to do, and you need to be specific because they're brand new. According to Google, there are 4 key elements to a great prompt: persona, task, context, and format. Persona, define who the AI should be. Is it a teacher, a marketer, a technical analyst? And then clearly outline what the task is. Is the task to write an article, summarize data, brainstorm ideas? Give it some context. Give your AI assistant some background information to help it get a sense of what category of information it's supposed to answer. And then format. Tell your AI assistant what you want the output to look like. Is it a list, graph, or something else? So here's an example. Imagine you want to have generative AI help you write a draft email. This could be your prompt. You are a corporate communications specialist. Draft a formal email to clients announcing a new product launch. Include a brief introduction, 3 key features, and a call to action. So as you can see, this prompt has all 4 elements to make sure that the AI delivers what we want. It's got a persona, task, context, and format. Then you can also tweak the response you get. Do you want it to be more casual and friendly, or do you want it to sound more professional? The more that you do this, the easier that it'll become. So now it's your turn. Explore the differences between different tools and find the one that fits best for you. Prompt engineering ultimately is a skill that grows with practice, and you're off to a great start. So keep exploring, experimenting, and refining your prompts, and I'll see you in the next video.